Welcome to this comprehensive guide on why use Semrush Site Audit, a powerful tool designed to help you identify and fix technical issues on your website, improve your online visibility, and increase your search engine rankings. First, let's start with the basics. A site audit is a thorough examination of your website's technical health, which includes checking for broken links, crawl errors, and other issues that can affect your site's performance. Semrush Site Audit tool provides a detailed report of your website's technical issues, giving you a clear understanding of what needs to be fixed. Using Semrush Site Audit can help you in several ways. It can improve your website's crawlability, which means search engines can easily access and index your content. It can also increase your website's speed, which is a key ranking factor. And it can help you identify and fix duplicate content issues, which can negatively affect your search engine rankings. To get started with Semrush Site Audit, simply enter your website's URL, select the audit type, and wait for the tool to crawl your website and generate a report. The report will provide you with a list of technical issues, prioritized by severity, along with recommendations on how to fix them. Some of the key features of Semrush Site Audit include Technical SEO Audit, which checks for issues such as broken links, crawl errors, and duplicate content. Website Performance Audit, which checks your website's speed and mobile responsiveness. And Local SEO Audit, which checks your website's local search engine rankings and provides recommendations on how to improve them. Best practices for using Semrush Site Audit include regularly auditing your website to identify and fix technical issues, prioritizing issues by severity, and keeping track of your progress over time. By following these best practices, you can improve your website's technical health, increase your online visibility, and drive more traffic to your site. In conclusion, Semrush Site Audit is a powerful tool that can help you identify and fix technical issues on your website, improve your online visibility, and increase your search engine rankings. By using this tool, you can improve your website's crawlability, increase your website's speed, and drive more traffic to your site.